Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to filter a playlist by video type in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Step 2. Select the playlist that you'd like to edit in the guide. You can find your playlists in the left sidebar. Step 3. Choose the chip with the type of content that you want to view in your playlist. There are 3 options available. All. This option displays all content saved to the playlist, including shorts and long-form videos. Shorts. If you select this option, only shorts saved to the playlist will be displayed. Please note that this feature is only available on computers. Videos. By choosing this option, only long-form videos saved to the playlist will be shown. By filtering your playlist based on video type, you can easily organize and view the specific content you're interested in. And there you have it. You now know how to filter a playlist by video type in YouTube on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.